Good day everyone, welcome to graphic design class. I am Dave. Today I'll be teaching you on how to design a book cover using pixellab and the book cover. Stay tuned. This video I'll be showing you step by step on how to design a book cover using your pixellab with your smartphone. I'm already on my pixellab on my smartphone. This is where we'll be designing the front of our book cover. The first thing we are going to do in our pixellab is to import the book design we want to make, and which we are going to come here. I will press import to bring the book we want to design, and which is here already. So this the book we are designing. We're just going to allow it to be hanging around here somewhere here so that we can know what we are doing. So the next thing we are going to do, we're going to work on the upper part, which is the dark red color. So for us to work on that, we're going to use a shape which is square. Yes, a shape. We just need to make it long. We're going to just make it long and put it up. Then change the color. For us to change the color, we'll go to color. So that it can be easy, we are going to just click here so that we can just easily change the color, because we already have the book in our background already. So we are going to be making the gold line too. So we are still going to click on that. The way we brought this shape, we'll bring the same shape so that we can just use it. Then change the color. The same way we did it, because the books are already here. So we just change the brown color. Yes. So let's just put this one here. Let's still put it down because let's lock what we've just done so that it will not scatter again. Oh wait first, we've not aligned this way. Let's before we bring in our text, we need a cream background down. So what we're going to do is, instead of bringing the same shape, instead of stressing ourselves to bring the same shape, we're just going to change the color of the background. Bring in our text. To bring in your text, you press this A button, then add, you see text, then we edit, and the first word here is power, all capital. So we will increase the size, yes, then make it bold, which is style, then bold it and change the front text. I recently used that front text, so if of me stressing myself to go and bring in text again, what I will just do is I will copy it, then re-edit it to put the word to get, or that is the next word, to get. Well, I'm going to reduce the size because to get is small. Yes, Then the next we'll just do the same thing, copy it, then add wealth. Before we continue, the book size and what we are designing here are not corresponding. For us to reduce and increase the length of our front, we are going to press this three icon. Then we go to size, image size. Then we are going to resize the height to 2000. Yes, this is so. Let's just yes, the same thing. We don't want to, let's know this, the number of text 103. We're going to be using 103 here too. 103. Yes. So we'll be increasing this one to small, to 60. It's okay. Or 65. Let's make it 65. Then we'll be adjusting it. Okay. So we're going to be changing the colors. So we're going to go to color. Color, good, and we'll be using white at the middle. White. So let's lock what we've done so that they will not scatter. Yes. So the next thing is for us to bring our key, to import our key. As I said, we'll import it, and for us to import, we press import. And this is the key we'll be using. The key is good to go. Then we'll be adding the name, but this time around we're not going to be putting his name, the author name. We're going to be putting our name, and my name is Ben Dave. Then the color, we can see that there are some red shadow in the key, and for us to bring that shadow into our key, because our key is just plain gold, we have to bring the shadow in it. Let's unlock it and lock the name. So we click on it. Then we'll go to shadow. We click on shadow and we will enable the shadow. You can see the shadow is there, but we need a red shadow. Yes, this is it. Then we're going to adjust the shadow a little bit. Yes, we are good to go. And lock. So we've gotten the front look of our book cover. So we're just going to save the image and save it as project. So we'll name it, then we save it as image. Yes, now we've gotten the front look of our book cover. So for us to get the side look, the name at the side is almost the same thing. So we're going to just work on only the name and power to get wet. So we're going to just delete the background completely and rebring it the size. So we're going to make it 2000 long, that is 2000 height, and the width will be 75. Yes, change the background color, which is cream. Yes, then we'll be doing the same thing. Okay, yeah, we'll be adding the color again. Then we'll be bringing it down. Yes, so we're going, let's lock it. Then bring in the text. The first word is power to get wet. So we're going to rotate it with correctly. That is the relative position to the middle, so I can see it. Then we'll straight it, bring it to the middle, and reduce the size to 35. To bring it to the middle. Then we'll make it bold. Guys, we start it bold. But we are going to be changing the color to black. Then we'll position it. So since we've done that, let us just copy and bring it to the middle too. Then edit it and put my name. I'll still bring it to the middle and move it up. This I will be using black here, but I'll be using white here. Yes. Then we import. We will save as image. After I've designed the front of the book, we need to add mockups so that it will become a book cover. So for us to do that, we are going to go to this website called the book cover. So this is where we are going to pick how we want the book. So I'll be picking two different designs, the one carrying the side and the one with the front. So I'll be using this cover. Goodness. Then we'll import what we just designed with our pixellab. So we'll go to gallery, import from gallery, go to pixellab, then we'll upload, and next. It has finished downloading. Let's open it. This is the front of our book, exactly the way we saw it. So let's do work on this side. So let's do the second one, which is the one carrying the side cover, which we'll be using the let's download. It has downloaded, so let's check our book. Yes, we've gotten it. So you can see that the front and the side is the way we designed it. I will see you all in the next class. Thank you.